How to delete one picture out of multiple on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to delete one picture out of multiple on Instagram. So let's begin. The very first step is to make sure first that your Instagram app is up to date. If not, please go to the App Store or the Google Play Store and update your Instagram app. Once you have done that, simply open your Instagram account and then go to your profile found on the lower right corner of the screen. So click on your profile and then wait for it to load. Go to the post that you want to edit. For example, I'll choose this one. So you may know that the post is on multiple if it has this icon right here. So whenever you click it and then click on the three dots found on the upper right corner of the post. Simply click on Edit and then scroll up a little bit until you can see this delete icon or the trash icon right here. So make sure to swipe first to whichever photo that you want to delete. So for example, I will delete this one. Simply click on that button and then click on delete right here. And as you can see, it has been deleted. Click on Done found on the upper right corner and then wait for it to load. And then let's say, for example, that you want to restore the deleted um, photo. What you're going to do is to go back to your profile and then click on the three lines on the upper right corner, go to Settings, and search for Manage Recently Deleted. So click on this one, wait for it to load, click on the deleted photo, and then click on the three dots and click on Restore. Click on Restore once again, wait for it to load, and then that's it. That's how you can delete one picture out of multiple on Instagram. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.